Hey guys, welcome to a very special episode of I Ate the Whole Thing. I know it's been a while. I've just been, in lockdown, trying to keep it easy and mind my own business. So today I'll be making Peruvian style ceviche. A couple weeks ago I was surfing YouTube and I saw there was this really cool chef down in Peru, really smart man and very passionate about his craft. So I saw his recipe, very simple ingredients. Fish, fresh of course, so I got flounder instead, lime juice, black pepper, salt, red onion. So check it out, so we're gonna start by introducing the fish right here, nice and fresh, got it from ShopRite. Gonna put the lime juice in there so it can start doing its magic. Well, I squeezed 10 fresh limes. Yeah, I'm just gonna do about half. Wooden spoon, start mixing it all up. I'm gonna put a little more lime juice. I'm just gonna eyeball it, really. I hope this works. Because I'm just following the guy's recipe. So yeah, just eyeball it. I'm gonna introduce the salt next. I'm gonna be generous, because I like it salty. Woohoo! Nice. Hell yeah. Now I'll put black pepper in there. Being generous, one more time. Put a lot of black pepper. I like black pepper, man. Oh, I think I'm gonna sneeze. Oh yeah. And then lastly, I'm gonna put the red onions. Yeah, let's be generous. I know some people like the shrimp one. They put avocado, they put the cilantro, the lime juice, the salt, the pepper. Damn, this is melon on point. Hello, light beverage. Oh yeah, I'm drinking Samuel Adams IPA. Very good, nice. I'm gonna put more onions in there. Damn, this is a lot of food for one. Put a little more lime juice. Oh yeah. So you have it. That's pretty much it. The black pepper, the salt, lime juice, the onions. We'll see if I eat the whole thing. Hey guys, all right, so check it out. You just saw it. I put a little cilantro on top just to give it a little more presentation for the camera. Well, the recipe don't call for cilantro. I just added it because it needed a little color. I'll be honest, this is my first time making it. I guess the fish is cooked in the lime juice. I don't know what the chemistry properties or the right terminology deduce that the fish cooked itself in lime juice. I have no idea. I don't know. But here comes the first bite.
You are not the father.
This is marvelous. What's funny? It doesn't taste fishy at all. I guess it worked. Well, we'll find out later this week if it worked correctly, because I don't know if I'll get food poisoning. Huh?
The toilet doesn't flush.
Speaking of that, I actually had food poisoning when I was a freshman in high school. I had bad tater tots. I was a freshman and I was playing, and in the middle of the field, I would go to the side and puke. And then I played the first half of the game. And then I was I couldn't play the second half, so I told the coach, he's yo, coach, I need to sit this one out. Eventually, after the game, I told my parents, yo, I'm not feeling well. And then they took me to the hospital. They couldn't figure it out. I thought it was food poisoning. Actually, I have to tell you, I had a little incident in the garage. I was trying to fix my garage door the other day, a couple weeks ago. And then I had these really, really strong pliers, this bracket on the garage door, and it slipped, and then my finger got caught in between the plier. Oh my God, all I saw was just this flap came off, of the tip. And I'm oh shit. Ah! So sure enough, I just kind of put the flap back on it. And I was that flap, it kind of just, it shed. So it's been trying to heal. But now there's a little thing sticking. I don't know if you see. Sorry, my hands actually, I shake, I'm a very hyperactive person, so my hands are always shaking. But yo, let me tell you about the ceviche. I've been working out. Every morning I wake up, feel during this lockdown, it's good to exercise just to keep mental and physical control of yourself, because this is very important. I'm telling you, because I had a couple of days where it was oh man, what is going on? Yeah, I've been pretty good. So what happened, I lost 20 pounds, but then I gained 5 pounds in muscle mass because, from the dumbbells and everything. You know what's funny? This recipe has so much onion. I had ceviche on dates in the past. No wonder I don't get a good night kiss or anything. So this is my mask, where I go out. But this is really hard to flirt when you're at the ShopRite, because I'm walking and like to give smiles, see who smiles back. Now I don't know what's what. So I do the old, hey, how's it going? Also, speaking of movies, I want to share with you guys, I watched The Matrix, the first one, for the first time on Friday. Because I haven't seen it. I mean, I didn't go to the movie theaters when it first came out. And I have to say that there was just so many, I guess, cultural references that was made to that movie. And I was like, oh my God, that is like, oh, that thing. So I'm sorry, I'm late to the game. Yes, I understand. I've been late to a lot of things. And The Matrix was one of them, for sure. Right now, with so much going on with the Black Lives Matter protest and then the movement, I watched this very interesting, and I suggest you watch it. The documentary 13th is on Netflix, and it talks about the 13th Amendment, which abolished slavery. All the things that happened afterwards that kind of created just juggernaut of tension, and it's very interesting. It's just something that everybody should watch. It's important. What I have to say is just really understand, love, and respect one another. We're human, we make mistakes. The idea is to learn from our mistakes and to grow. Things are not gonna be fixed overnight, but the idea is for us to try. And I ate the whole thing. I mean, the rest is just lime juice. I don't know if I'm supposed to drink that. I mean, I'm tempted to do it. And I'll see you guys next week. I'll try to make something new. I don't know, sorry, I know I've been busy and I was a little bit in a funk, so I didn't have like the motivation to do the episode, but I'm just trying to get back on track and do these episodes. I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave a comment, subscribe, share it with your grandma. I'm sure she probably likes ceviche and enjoy this episode. All right, guys, thank you so much. I'll see you guys next week. Peace. Oh, yeah.